The New Deal was a series of programs and reforms launched in the 1930s to help the United States recover from the Great Depression. At its heart, the New Deal was about stabilizing the economy and providing relief to millions of citizens struggling during a period of massive unemployment. When the government stepped in, the unemployment rate was a staggering 25%. The New Deal aimed to reverse this trend through federal intervention. Historians often categorize these efforts into the 3Rs: relief, recovery, and reform, targeting both immediate survival and long-term financial stability. This marked a massive shift from a hands-off approach to one where the federal government became a major player in the daily economy. Federal spending increased significantly throughout the 30s as the government funded massive infrastructure projects to put people back to work. President Roosevelt used these words to restore confidence in the banking system, which was essential for the New Deal to function effectively. Many institutions we use today, like the FDIC, started during this era. Thanks for watching and learning about this turning point in history.